Kyle.
Hey. Tony, say hey.
How many radios do you have? 900.
There's Adam. Hey, Adam. Hey. We're going to help with that truck in the kitchen. I'm really, really thirsty. I wonder where I could get a drink.
I want to pull this so bad.
No whining. And why are you in there?
It's too hot outside.
When I'm at home, I can park on whatever side of the street I want to. Lil Jon's back in town, so we're going over there to see him. Between doing this and working and I have to go edit, I have time to see Lil Jon.
I can't do that. God, no.
Yeah. What the hell are you doing?
Yeah, what the hell? You see, you've been on a base for a while and you do some dumb stuff like that.
Are you kidding me? You gotta tell me what the hell he's doing.
Say hi to yourself later.
Then what's the use?
Say hey.
Say hi.
Happy birthday, lady.
Smile.
Where you been? Did you get a job? You didn't get a job yet?
This is the street where I grew up. Best friend grew up in that house. Well, in that house. One back there. And I'm walking down the middle of the street, because that's what you can do. There's lots of crazy, ridiculous memories here. That's it for memory lane. There we go. Say hey, Lex.
Hey, Lex.
Smooth. That was a good one.
This is very phallic-like.
No, did I tell you about the time that I took the cage off and it popped off?
What if it bubbles over? You need to have a cup seize. Or your mouth.
Jesus.
Drink it and then I leave back. That would have smoked me. Well, come into one room. Then we don't have to hang out. Well, I don't hold this.
Does it see it? How wide is the lens?
Pretty wide.
Like this wide?
It's wider than that.
Whoa.
No, you're already in it.
Oh no. But now I feel like I actually have to say it.
Now you have to say something.
Yeah, I just wanted to toast our new house.
This is you did this to you.
And that I passed my test on Friday. I'm very excited about that.
So let's get drunk.
Woo! Cheers. Cheers.
I didn't hit anybody's glass because I was holding the camera. That'll sound really good. Never gonna work.
This is the only floor we ain't clean, but whatever.
Morning. My battery is about to die. I'm gonna try to kick this out really fast. It's 10:02. The party was a lot of fun last night. It was awesome. And I stayed on their new, very comfortable couch. And now I'm home. And I had a guy one time when I was going to work and I had done the same little bit of drinking and had a little bit of a headache. And he told me to get this stuff. I don't know if you can see that. The XXX vitamin water. I don't even think it tastes that good, but I think it actually does work. So we'll see. I hate my camera. Battery's about to die. See you later. Good fire, Adam.
Tips and Kubota.
That's where you put the tips, apparently.
Just the tip.
This is where the cool people sit. Stand. Stand?
Stand.
Stand. And then that's where Brandon is. Because he's sick. So stay over there.
Adam, my front side is like so hot. Turn around for your back side.
Good idea.
There you go.
It smells stinky out here.
It's not even. Like, I bet if it's those two dudes who just left.
No, that's skunk. That's for sure skunk.
Oh, like actual skunk?
Yeah. Say hey.
Hey.
He's sick. Bye.
Hey, buddy.
I'm out. Oh, now it smells like smoke bomb.
Yeah, it does.
Probably fire. Just all the senses. Alright, see you guys. Later.
We don't want a product placed too much.
You're ridiculous.
Yeah, do it one more time though.
Or maybe a more stabbing like this.